Are you always rushing in the mornings and skipping breakfast? We've got you covered with 5 quick and healthy smoothie recipes to start your day off right. First up, try our Green Energy Boost smoothie. Packed with spinach, banana, and a splash of almond milk, it's the perfect way to get your greens in first thing in the morning. Next, we have the Berry Blast smoothie. Made with mixed berries, Greek yogurt, and a drizzle of honey, this smoothie is not only delicious but also full of antioxidants. For a tropical twist, whip up our Pineapple Paradise smoothie. Blend pineapple, coconut milk, and a handful of spinach for a refreshing and nutritious breakfast on the go. If you're in need of a protein boost, try our Peanut Butter Power smoothie. Packed with peanut butter, banana, and protein powder, this smoothie will keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. Last but not least, indulge in our Chocolate Dream smoothie. Made with cocoa powder, avocado, and almond milk, this smoothie tastes like a dessert, but is actually good for you. There you have it. 5 quick and healthy smoothie recipes to make your busy mornings a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.